What is going on, everybody? Today we are going to take a look at a new pen from Nottingham Tactical. Some of you probably already know, I had bought the Nottabolt in G2 not too long ago, but the G2 version doesn't work as good as the Schmidt Easy Flow version did, so I got that one for work. I also got the Highball, which gives you that little bit more of a knob, so that I could actually take a look at both the G2 version, the Schmidt version, plus the flatter Nottabolt with the Highball too. So let's get to it. Alright, so here's the Nottingham Tactical packaging. Pretty basic on the outside. Inside, got you a little bit of description of the company itself. And I got the Schmidt Easy Flow 9000M. I will switch that out and go with the fine tip because the fine tip works better for me. And there is our Highball. So we'll get that put on. And I got the full machined version. Very, very cool. Very grippy too. Yeah, I can already tell that's gonna feel really, really good in the hand. So we're gonna swap this kind of low flat ball out. They are nice, but I also kind of like that ball too, especially at work when I'm using the pen. I'm gonna be a little more quicker. So it is nice that they do have that. It gives you a little less catching if you're worried about the ball catching on stuff. This version here does work out really good for that. Do love the pocket clip, and we can also very much compare the size between the G2 version because the G2 version is longer than the Schmidt version. So very, very cool. Alright, so this is a T8. So we'll go ahead and just get that unscrewed. If we can get it lined up here. Okay. Actually, surprisingly, it has quite a bit of thread there. So very nice. We'll get this tiny little bag open. It's like a competition to see if I can actually get it started here. Okay. Guess we'll just have to tear that sucker open. Make sure we get it started. Okay, so very, very nice. You can see with comparison, it definitely gives you a lot more to bite onto. So it's, yeah, it's very, very noticeable in the hand for sure. I think the ball, when you're kind of on the fly, will work out a lot better for sure. They do such a great job with this pattern too, and it is nice and grippy too. You're not going to worry about it sliding out of your hands. It really gets in. Not that this is bad by any stretch of the imagination. This is actually pretty grippy for just the dots, but the dots actually are pretty good because you can feel them, and if you can feel them, usually you're going to get some traction, and you do. It's right in the critical spot of writing, so very important, but very cool. So there you guys go. That is the new Nottabolt Full Carve with the highball put on it. So I look forward to definitely using that. And so there you guys go. That's it for today. We will catch you next time. Have a great day, guys.